now.
here.
So friends, this is a family of Mr. Katta Henry. This is his house, as you see it here. This small house, as you see it, it houses these 4 people. 5 people. There is a baby sleeping inside. So the baby is around 9 months. But we came here, we found this family, and it is in a sorrow state. So it is our prayer that you help us to help them get a good shelter. And we pray that God blesses you as you donate anything you can. No matter how small it is, it can make an impact to this family. The lady here is the mother to Mr. Henry, as Katta, and the lady there is our volunteer. So we'll be so grateful and humbled for the support that you wish to extend to us at any moment in time. Thank you so much, and be blessed.